Pinagbibigyan niya yung kanina niya. Uy! Grabe! Ganito din na Zen.
Alright, yeah, for our champion, Asian inspired. Ganda niyan.
For the Asian inspired category.
Alright, stand by, stand by.
Is best in portrait. And for our food sponsors, John.
So we're waiting for the go-ahead signal from
Salve.
Wormhole, Cal Inc., Cloud Tattoo Palace, Mr. Marcus, and OG Produce.
and our official hotel partner, Hotel Soho. So big, so good.
The pre-made large, small piece cut of time is at performances. Ayan.
Yung mga mahilig sa love song, mamaya maraming love song.
Bero's gonna be performing later on. It's gonna be
Artist.
The Art Collective Gordon.
Hey!
5.
entry number 5. Congratulations.
Champion for Best in Portrait Hosting, Akash,
Entry number 5. Artist is Raven Santos.
Raven Santos. Another day, another tattoo.
Okay, sumali ng mga entries dito for Best in Portrait. Thank you so much for
Ready po tayo.
Ang linis nun?
Medium piece.
Ha?
medium.
Ito, ay malupit dito. Ayun o. Alright. Ay, sorry.
Yes.
Medyo malaki.
Medyo malaki.
Medyo malaki.
So, mapa-black and gray matte or color, pwede.
Second and third place winners, photos muna tayo. This category, sir, kompleto na.
Can I just wash my hand for a second? For a second. Open the
Maging abala mamaya. Basta tayo ay nasa judging time na. Correct. Champion, Lord C, a total of 60,000 cash. Trophy.
Best male and best.
Female
Go away.
category is entry number 4.
Oh.
Bakit? Just bilang ko sa gusto. Hi, sir.
Malapit dun. Pero munti na. Okay na. Start na. Hey, sa video. Oh, video.
Shoutout sa tropa ko si Mark Ingal.
Basang Wipes, Kapunasan, OG, Locals, and our official hotel.
Ay, kaya pala naman.
Solid Silver.
Good day mga pade. Good day!
Punta kayo tayo gusto yun, tapos magbenta tayo.
First place will receive a copy, cash, award, and a leaves from our sponsor.
Ano masasabi mo sa event ngayon? Sobrang solid! Magaling ako pare ko.
2 minutes. Here traditional category models.
Kaway-kaway, kaway-kaway. Kaway-kaway tayo dyan. Kaway-kaway, kaway-kaway.
First round ng judging.
Kaway-kaway.
Meron tayong 5 judges.
Sarbeng.
At meron silang mga
Gusto po.
Ayos lang.
Hey, congratulations, bro.
Hey!
sa tawin. Pwede na kayong umalis sa pila nyo. Pumunta.
Hey! Isang A muna.
Okay, judges.
Sinipat na, patay tayo dyan.
Artist Noriel Dumenden.
Congratulations.
And congratulations to our third place for the black and gray category, entry number 93.
Congratulations, artist Empty Figuracion.
7,000 pesos in cash, trophy, plaque, and a goodie bag courtesy of Osu's Tattoo Supplies. Congratulations to our third place winner.
Presenting your Pilipinas Saturcon on the spot category, second place for the
Artist Emmanuel Pedrosa. Champion for our black and gray category will receive a total of 60,000 cash.
60,000
Trophy, cash, and the freebies from our sponsor, and a trophy from OG Produce. Awarded by Sir Maya and by the Ayan.
Wow.
Ang bagong
Napatawad na kita, sir.
nahulog.
Palapakan muna. Yan.
Ayan, yan, magandang gabi pa rin sa inyong lahat. First of all, nagpapasalamat kami sa lahat ng sumuporta, sa lahat ng mga artists, ayan, na nandito, and all the judges, and the staff and crew ng aming event na ito. Nagpapasalamat po kami lahat.
Hindi pa naman siguro yung best, but we really did our best para maibigay sa inyo yung
gusto maka-experience na local pero parang international yung arrive, no? So yun, thank you so much sa inyo lahat. Mga artists, congratulations! Kung wala kayo, wala kami dito ngayon. Thank you!
Third place.
Ayan, sir.
Third place will receive a trophy, cash, block, and a freebies from our sponsors.
Alright, presenting the second place.
Flower artist, Rams Sardinia. Second place will receive a trophy, cash, block, and a freebies from our sponsors.
Eto na.
And the champion.
All come to an end.
Yes.
For your realistic champion is entry number 74.
Artist, Rainer J. Passenger. Champion will receive a trophy, a 60,000 cash, block, a freebies from Awesome Status of Lives, a tattoo table from Black Angel, tattoo supplies,
Machine.
and an Ozer tattoo machine. Once again, our champion, Rainer J. Passenger.
Congratulations, everyone. Well done.